Okay. Shave his hair, ready? Wait. Ready? Wow, look at his hair! Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Oh! Oh no! Wait, don't let it get him.
You want to do it?
Break it. Wait, that candle's not there, is it?
Go nice and easy. I just moved it. Ready? Nice and easy. Wow.
Don't let it get near his head.
Right down the middle. Come closer.
Don't push as hard, yeah.
Don't push hard. Nice and easy.
Aren't you guiding him?
He's really concentrating. So cute.
You done?
Oh my.
Take a picture of that.